In this video, I will show you how to delete a repost, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Instagram account and then launch the application. So what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your profile by clicking on the icon at the far right of the bottom navigation. And once you click on it, it's going to lead you to your profile. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to where it shows the posts. So, right under the highlights, you should have a post. And when you slide from the post, you're going to go to the reels at the top. Now, from the reels, you're going to go to your reposts. And this is where you can find all the reposts that you made. Now, to delete a repost, you need to first identify the repost. And we're going to use this repost for an example. And on the right navigation where you see the likes and the number of comments, right next to it there's the repost sign there. You're going to click on that repost sign and it's going to uncheck, and once it's unchecked, automatically it should be deleted from your repost. Now that's how to delete a repost on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.